Hello, free advice. Learn to speak with law words and protect your persons. Repeat, learn to speak with law words and protect your persons, okay? We're going to have some fun, okay? So you're going to see on the screen right now, man, because, so like I got set off. I got set off because I was hanging out. I was hanging out on watch right now, and I was listening to an attorney, and an attorney was giving somebody advice about how they can get IRS to pay them, and it was just fun because they were just talking about responding to notices that the IRS sends you, and I was like, oh, that's what we do. We like doing that too because like the IRS tried to communicate with me, and then I communicated with the IRS, and then the IRS was like, thank you very much, and I was like, okay, I'll see you guys in the future, right? So I want to show you something, right? Because attorneys have a pretty cool gig. Okay, we're gonna show you what they do. Okay, check this out. So I went online and then I went to Brave Leo. Fun fact. Remember, oversee attorneys with law. Okay, we're going to show you something. We wish for you to oversee attorneys with the law. That's why we want you to join Law T1. Okay, so this is what we did. Is that we went online and we asked Brave Leo, we were like, Brave Leo, bring me back and show me what attorneys do in simple terms, right? So this is what Brave Leo told us, okay? Look at what it says. It says attorneys, also known as lawyers, which means people learned in law, are professionals, okay? A professional under the statutory realm who provide legal advice, okay? Legal advice. They speak legalese, okay? Legal advice and representation to individuals, businesses, or organizations, okay? So a fun little trick right there is that the way that they see an individual, an individual would be a person. A person and a business are the same. Okay, check this out. Their primary role is to help clients navigate legal issues and achieve their goals, okay? We were like, oh, we know what that means because we navigate the world all day, all night, okay? Check this out. It says, here's a breakdown of what attorneys do, okay? Look at the bold. They advise, okay? Look at the bold. They represent, okay? Look at the bold. They draft documents, okay? That means they write things down, okay? Look at the bold. They research, okay? They get asked a question. They go find out the answer, okay? Look at the bold. They communicate. Okay, that's it. So what do attorneys do? They advise, they represent, they draft, they research, and they communicate. Okay, I mean, we do that all day, all night, man, and we love it. Okay, so here's the hook, people. Is that with Law Team 1, this is why we want you to join us, okay? We want to show you how to do this for yourself, okay? Because people go to attorneys and then the attorneys do it for them, okay? But we need to show you how to show yourself, your person. We want you to oversee your person, man. It's real simple, okay? Because, you can ask advice from your neighbors, people who know the law like us, okay? And then you can get some really cool words, man, and you can know how to protect your person, all right? So check this out. We're going to show you the bit right now, okay? Here we go. We got a problem, okay? Here's a problem, people. The problem is that some people don't know the highest law of the land, okay? That's a huge problem. Some people don't know the highest law of the land, and a lot of people like to go to law school, and a lot of people like to pay a lot of money, and then they don't come out knowing the highest law of the land, okay? They may know codes, and they may know statutes, and they may know process, and they may know procedure, and they may know that legalese, but they don't know the highest law of the land. They don't know creator creates creation, okay? And this is what we try to show the people, okay? Check this out. Solution, teach people American law. Repeat, teach people American law, okay? That's the solution, okay? It's so simple. A dummy like me can figure it out, okay? All right, so check out this question right here, man, because we love asking questions because he who questions well learns well, okay? And that's why we're always asking questions with people, and we want to see what they know because this is how we surf their minds, okay? And we know everything about you by the words that you say, okay? So whatever you want to call yourself, we know who your master is, okay? You can't hide, okay, people? All right, check this out. Question. Are the people subject to state bar entities? Yes or no? Okay. We're asking this to you, my neighbor. Okay. This one's for you. Okay. Just remember, we're hanging out one-on-one. Okay. Here's another question. Question. Do you oversee state bar entities with the law? Yes or no? Okay. We want to know, do you know how to oversee them, or do you oversee them? Okay. Why are we asking this? Because the people created state bar entities and the people created attorneys. Okay. Those are creatures of the people. And then when we tell this to the people, it flies over their head and they look at us crazy. Some people even tell us, you should go to law school. And I'm like, why would I go to law school when I know how to create attorneys with the law? Okay. And then they just look at me crazy like, what? And I'm just like, whatever, bless your heart. I'll talk to you guys in the future. Okay. Now check out this bit right here. Attorney. What is an attorney? An attorney is one who is appointed, who appoints them. I do, the people. Okay. One who is appointed or admitted in the place of another. Okay. That's my agent. Okay. Check this out. To manage his matters in law. Okay. An attorney's a tool. Okay. That's all an attorney is. An attorney's a tool. And we love showing people how to operate tools, man. I've been doing this for a very, very long time. And it's so much fun because I go and I look at how the tools are created. I look at how the tools are supposed to operate. And then I teach people how to do that, man, with simplicity. All right. So check out this bit right here. California Constitution, Article VI for 6. Judicial, Section 9. Okay, look at what Section 9 says right here. It says the State Bar of California is a public corporation. Okay, full stop. Okay, so all the attorneys that run around with their little bar card in California, you're my creature. Okay, you're my creature. You belong to me. I don't belong to you. Remember this and we're going to be cool. Okay, all right, check this out. Every person, and remember what a person is. A person's not a man. A person's not a woman. A person's not a child. A person's not a people. A person will be a tool that the people use to speak to, okay? The state bar is a person, okay? Public corporations are person, okay? Corporations are persons, okay? Remember this and we're going to be cool, okay? Rewind. It says every person admitted and licensed to practice law in this state is and shall be a member of the state bar, except while holding office as a judge of a court of record. Okay. You know, that's fun right there, man. You know, so just know if you ever have somebody in California who's running around and then they say, I practice law, or they got that commercial and say, you know, Johnson & Johnson, practicing attorney at law, right? You know, just know that that's a creature. That's a constitutional statutory creature. Okay. They belong to the people. They are underneath the jurisdiction of the people. Okay. Remember this and we're going to be cool. Okay. So we're done now, man. So check out my mission. Here's our mission. I'm always throwing this out there to the people because I'm always fishing. Okay. Check this out. Our mission is to teach people words to operate trust tools. Okay. That's it. We just tried to show you simple words to operate trust tools. And remember, public corporations are tools of the people, okay? And remember, attorneys are tools of the people, okay? Those are what we would call trust tools, okay? And we love showing the people how to operate trust tools. All right, so we're done. Let's go ahead and walk it back up now, okay? So now you know the State Bar of California is a public corporation, okay? It is a public corporation which belongs to the people, okay? We don't belong to it. It belongs to us, and all creatures of the Constitution are subject to me, one of the people, okay? Now you know what an attorney is. Okay. Now that question is do you oversee state bar entities with the law? If you want to, come hang out with us and we'll show you how in the private. Okay. Here's the other question. Are the people subject to state bar entities? The answer is no, we're not. They're subject to us. Okay. Once you understand this, you're going to be cool. Okay. You know, now you know what that problem is. And now you got the solution. Teach people American law. Okay. I'm going to beat this one into the head until Father taps me out, man, because, you know, we see a lot of people who like to spend a lot of money going to law school and then they don't know the law. They only know codes and statutes, man. And they only know process and procedure. Okay. We want to teach the people American law. Okay. The highest law of the land. Okay. The highest law of the land truly is Holy Bible, King James Version. That's what's up. But that's another story that we can talk about offline. Okay. And now you got that free advice. The free advice is learn to speak with law words and protect your persons. Okay, people, learn to speak with law words and protect your persons. Okay. You know, you don't need somebody to go represent you. I mean, they can represent you and they can be your agent to go do things for you, you know, like a good little servant. That's what we like to do, you know, but, you know, they don't have to get up there and go blah, 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 blah. My client, man, we've been watching way too many attorneys, you know, present information in courts, and it's just like, you guys aren't very good. You're not very good. You do a whole lot of babbling, but you know what? I think the people can represent themselves or present themselves a whole lot better than an attorney can, okay? So that's what we want to show you how to do. We want to show you how to present information yourself as one of the people, okay? Highest law of the land, okay? All right, check it out. We're done, man. We're going to put this together. We're going to upload it. We're going to see how it flows. I'll talk to you guys in the future. Oh, remember, if you want to hang out with us in the private and talk about some wonderful things, and if you want us to move your public person into the private, and if you want us to create a person for you to administer in the private, and if you want to learn the common law in the private, our links in the description, man. We're trying to build Law Team 1, okay? And we want you to hang out with us, okay? Who's the one? Who we want the few, and we want the kind, and we want the brave, okay? Law Team 1. That's what's up. All right, we're done. We're going to put this together. We're going to upload it. We're going to see how it flows. I'll talk to you guys in the future. Remember, nobody's having more fun than us. Bye.